Close your eyes for 1 second. Where is your mind right now? Maybe you are thinking about something bad from yesterday. Maybe you are worried about tomorrow. Your body is here, but your mind is far away. This happens to almost everyone, every day. Today, I want to share with you a beautiful secret from one of the most famous books in the world. The book is called The Power of Now. Welcome to the English Flow podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let us open this wonderful book together and learn how to find peace in this moment. First, what does now mean? Now means this moment, not the past, not the future, just this second, right here. It sounds very simple, but it is very powerful. The writer Eckhart Tolle says that the present moment is the only real time we ever have. Think about it. The past is gone. We cannot change it. The future is not here yet. We cannot touch it. The only time we can truly live is now. But sadly, most people forget this. They live in their heads, not in the real moment. Let us talk about the busy mind. Our minds never stop talking. They think and think all day long. We remember old problems. We make new worries. We talk to ourselves without stopping. This noise in our head makes us tired and stressed. The writer says we are not our thoughts. We are the quiet person who watches the thoughts. This is a big and beautiful idea. You can sit back and just watch your mind, like you watch clouds in the sky. The thoughts come and go, but you stay calm. Why do we feel so much stress? The book gives us a clear answer. Most of our stress comes from the past and the future. We feel sad about things that already happened. We feel afraid about things that may never happen. But here is the truth. Right now, in this moment, you are okay. You are breathing. You are safe. The problem is not the moment. The problem is the story in your mind. When you come back to now, the stress becomes smaller. So, how can we live in the now? The first step is very simple. Just breathe. Take one slow, deep breath and feel it. Feel the air go in and out. When you focus on your breath, your mind becomes quiet. You are not in the past. You are not in the future. You are here. This is a small and easy way to come back to the present moment. You can do it anytime, in any place, and it is completely free. Here is another simple way. Use your senses. Look around you right now. What do you see? What do you hear? What can you feel and smell? When you really notice the world around you, your busy mind goes quiet. A cup of tea tastes better. A short walk feels nicer. The birds sound sweeter. This is what it means to be present. You are fully here in this one moment and not lost in your thoughts. Let us talk about doing one thing at a time. Today, everyone tries to do many things at once. We eat and look at the phone. We walk and worry about work. We talk to a friend, but think about something else. The book says this is why we feel tired and empty. The answer is simple. Do one thing at a time with full attention. When you eat, just eat. When you walk, just walk. When you rest, just rest. This brings calm and joy back into small daily things. Now let us talk about peace. Many people think, I will be happy later, when I have more money, when I finish my work, when my life is perfect. But that day never comes. The future is always far away. The book teaches us that peace is not in the future. Peace is here now. You do not need to wait. You can feel calm in this very moment just by being present. Happiness is not a place you reach. It is a way of living, one moment at a time. The book also helps us with hard feelings. When you feel angry, sad, or afraid, do not run away from the feeling and do not fight it. Just look at it. Say to yourself, I feel angry right now. When you watch a feeling with calm eyes, it becomes smaller and softer. You do not let the feeling control you. You stay the quiet watcher. This is a simple but very strong way to deal with hard emotions. Let us remember one important thing. Living in the now does not mean you forget your goals. You can still make plans. You can still dream about tomorrow. But you do the work now, in this moment, with full attention. You plant the seed today. You do not sit and worry about the garden. You enjoy each small step. The future is built from many small nows. So take care of this moment, and the future will take care of itself. Now, let me show you my favorite secret. Living in the now is perfect for learning English. When you study, give it your full attention. Put your phone away. Close the other windows. Just listen to one lesson like this podcast with a calm and open mind. Do not worry about how slow you are. Do not feel bad about old mistakes. Just learn one new word right now. When your mind is present and calm, it remembers much more. This is one of the most peaceful and powerful ways to learn a language. We have learned so many beautiful ideas from the power of now today. We learned that now is the only real time we have. We learned that we are not our thoughts, but the quiet watcher of our thoughts. We learned that most stress comes from the past and the future. We learn simple ways to come back to the present, like breathing slowly and using our senses. We learn to do one thing at a time and to find peace in this moment instead of waiting for later. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will explore the famous money book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and learn simple and powerful lessons about money, all in easy English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep breathing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.